back to my channel. If you're new, don't forget to hit that subscribe button below, just right there. And then also share your thoughts on today's video in the comment section. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up as well. Let me know you like the content. Support your girl, okay? So I'm just gonna get straight into it. Today, I will be trying this Afro puff wig that I bought. I usually put my hair in a puff, but sometimes I just want to tuck it away and not, because if my actual hair is out, it means I have to care for it. I have to do all that good stuff, and I don't want to do that. Plus, winter is near. Winter is coming, so I need to get ready. So I did buy this extension from Amazon. I'm hoping that it will turn out nice, but I believe it is synthetic. So I'm gonna try it out today. So the plan is to do like a rubber band kind of situation in the front, pull the rest of my hair up, and then put this on. That way it's like a protective hairstyle, but not necessarily, you know, semi-protective, I guess, if you want to put it that way. That's what we're gonna do. I did get this edge control also on Amazon. I typically use the Shine and Jam gel, but wanted something different. This smells like strawberries. It smells really good. Before I do style my hair though, I will be dyeing my hair black. I haven't dyed my hair in a while and it's looking kind of crusty. Let's check out the hair in question. I was attempting to do those boho braids that's trending these days, and it did not turn out the way I expected. You guys might see a video on it, but whatever you see is what it was. I didn't even finish the video. One, I was so tired. I was so freaking tired. I was stressed out. Two, it didn't even turn out the way I wanted it. Maybe the method I used was not the best, but I was over it. Scratch that. Let's regroup. No. I did keep it in for 2 weeks because it took me a long time to do it. I finished it and I was like, you know what? If I can put this in the ponytail the whole time, I'm good. I'm good. I'm good. But I did take it out yesterday. Ooh, that looks crusty.
Don't know what we have to do, but someone's gotta change. That makes two of us. That makes two of us. If it never opened up my heart.
Oh, I kind of like the way my hair is looking right now. Oh, the way my curls are popping right now. Ooh, feeling it. I am feeling it right now. My hair has grown though. It has really grown. So I'm just gonna press this in and ensure I get every strand covered. And I believe for natural hair, I'm supposed to keep it in for like 30 minutes. Put this on and make sure every single strand. Don't forget those baby hairs, guys. Don't forget those baby hairs. You notice that I did put Vaseline on my ears and my face just to prevent the color from staining my skin. Right here. Okay. My hair has grown. Alright, so there we go. I will go and replace my gloves. It was $5.19. Keep this in for 30 minutes and then rinse it out. It turned out really nice. And then now I'm gonna go ahead and style it. So like I said, I'm gonna do like a whole rubber band situation in front, and then I'm gonna follow suit with the Afro thing. It's already like 6 o'clock here, so your girl ain't got time.
What we should do. If it never opened up my heart, if it never opened up my door. Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah. If you never, yeah, 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 yeah. If it Someone's gotta change. Someone's gotta change. Someone's gotta change. When I go with confidence, when I go to roll our hips and take a sip on it, take a trip on it. When I go, you can go slow. Wind it up all night, baby, take your time. Let me know I want. When you turn me around, I want. When the neighbors yell turn down, we keep it going. Like bum bum bum. Throw it back then rotation. Cigarettes and just season. Shine bright as that season. Girl, you know you are a jam, 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 jam. Jam, 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 jam. Jam, 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 jam. Sounding like you're wasting every time. Jam, 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 jam. Jam, 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 jam. Jam, 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 jam. Sounding like you're wasting.
Hi guys, so it is the next day. Oh, give me 1 second. Alright, so we are back. It is the next day and it is cold as hell here right now. Fall is here, winter is coming, so it is what it is. But yes, it is the next day. Let's take this off and see where we are right now. So like I said at the beginning of this video, I bought this hair from Amazon. It's supposed to be an Afro puff. I like pulling my hair in an Afro, but sometimes I don't want to leave my actual strands out because then I have to care for it. I have to do the most, not the most with it, but I have to pay attention to it. Unlike this is with a wig, all I need to do is probably spritz some water in the air, put some more, not moisture in it because it's synthetic. I don't know. I didn't really read the instructions on how to care for it, but worst case scenario, it gets damaged. I get a new one. But with my hair, yeah, no. So I decided to get one of these from Amazon so I can try. All I did was to put my hair in sections, and then as I took a section, I put a rubber band on it, and then also I twisted the strands and connected it to the next section. It's like a cornrow or twist, but if you can't twist your hair or cornrow your hair, this is the best way to do it. This falls more in line with the twist, because with cornrow, what you can do is when you create the sections, you braid it and then you connect it, so it gives you that cornrow feel. So if you're not the best hair twist or flat twist or whatever you want to call it, this is the easy way to do it. The only thing which I must emphasize on is I did use hair bands, rubber bands. Not everybody wants to put rubber bands in their hair, but I did it. I haven't had any issues with it. I oil them so it makes it easy for me to remove them. They can easily slip out of my hair. Plus the edge control that I do use, or the hair wax that I do use, makes it easy for it to slip. So I've never had any issues with like tearing up the hair or anything. But if you don't want to use it, I know you can use a yarn. Yes, you can use a yarn to tie the base and then connect it that way. So there are other options, or you can just flat twist your hair. But I was not down for it. It looks so cute. I haven't pulled my hair back in like this in a while because I haven't recorded a hair tutorial. So I really like the way it's looking. It looks so nice. I love it. I love it. I love it. So this is what it is. This is the hair. This is how it looks. I feel like I want to add leave-in conditioner or something to it, but it's synthetic, so I don't think it's necessary because I don't want to put too much product on it as well. So all I'm doing is I had a little bit of oil in my palm and I'm just rubbing it in just to give it a little bit of shine, you know. I don't want it looking all dry and crusty, right? That's not the goal right now. Oh, my skin is looking flawless. Oh my God. I look so good right now. All right, so this is how it looks. There is, the tie, which is right here. There we go. And then you can stretch it out and make it this wide. That's how wide it goes. So before I do tuck it in, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to try and fit it around my hair, because my hair is super thick. I couldn't get it any smaller than this, guys. So girl gotta do what a girl gotta do. Oh, I like this already. Okay, so this is how it looks. Oh, okay. Oh, okay, 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 okay. Okay. Y'all see what I'm seeing? Okay. Okay, no. What's a beauty? Oh my God. I wish the curls were a little bit more kinkier, but I'm not gonna complain. My hair would be tucked in, my strands would be tucked in. Plus, I could easily take this in and out. So your girl's not gonna complain, but I do wish the curls were a little bit more kinkier. This is more towards like the 3D, 3C kind of situation, and you know, I'm not down for that. You know, I ain't down for that. But I was hoping for something more kinky or something that would match my actual hair texture. But I'm not going to complain. So that being said, those of my hair companies out there, please create something like this that's more 4C. More 4C, something that would match my hair. This clearly does not match my hair, but I look so cute right now. I can't even complain. Like, give me a moment. Okay, enough of the shenanigans. Let's get into it.
Give me a chance to make it right. Just let me touch you like the first time. We don't need answers to survive. Just let us keep on with the black guys. With the black
And like I said, I wish the texture was a little bit more towards my hair, but this is definitely going to be a go-to for me. This would be the go-to for me. Like, there we go. That's it. Like, there's nothing to show, nothing to see. We've come to the end of the road.
nothing left to fight about. We're holy when we touch anyhow. Give me a chance to make it right.
I love it so much. Once again, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Also, give this video a thumbs up and share your thoughts on today's video in the comment section. Oh. See you guys in my next one. Bye-bye.